Hello, everyone. Welcome to another session of statistics in the Wisest King Academy. Today, we are going to be doing the part three of our lesson on statistics, data collection, and presentation. And we'll be looking precisely at the presentation of qualitative data. Qualitative data can be presented in many ways, but the most appropriate way to present qualitative data is through using a pie chart or a bar chart. If you go on Excel, you go on Word, whether qualitative, quantitative data, you can have bar chart, you can have histogram, right? But in our previous video, we said the most appropriate way to present quantitative data is through maybe a histogram, cumulative frequency curve, right? Or a stick diagram. But for qualitative data, the most appropriate way is either a bar chart or a pie chart. First of all, what are qualitative data? Qualitative data are data that cannot be measured. They cannot assume figures. For example, race. I'm black. I am fair. Right? Nationality. I'm a Cameroonian. I'm a Nigerian. I'm a Ghanaian. I'm a Kenyan. Religion. Gender. Male, female. Color. Red, green, white. So you discover this. Such data cannot be measured. They cannot be quantified. So they are qualitative data. So we are going to see how to prepare a bar chart and a pie chart. Now, what is a pie chart? A bar chart. Let's start with the bar chart. A bar chart is a diagram that consists of separate bars. That consists of what? Separate bars. Now, the height of each bar is proportionate to the value of each variable, let me put it that way, of each variable. Now, the distance separating each bar is the same. So it means each bar here represents a particular variable. So let's see. A bar chart, let me put this, let me do this. Look at this. An example. I'm just doing my best for it to be like the same. So this is a bar chart. That's an example of a bar chart. Now with a bar chart, the distance separating two bars are equal. The height of each bar is proportionate to the value. Let's say we went to the market. We want to renew our house. We want to repaint our house. So we bought actually four paints. We bought white paint. The white paint we bought, this is white. We bought a green paint. This is white. White. Now this is um, green. This is red. And this one should be, let me say, brown. So these are colors. Now, this now actually be their values. So the value spent on each type of paint. So you can see the distance separating two bars is equal. The height of each bar represents a particular item. Each bar represents an item. The value of each bar, the value of each item, sorry, determines the height of the item. Okay, so that is a bar chart. And a bar chart can also be presented horizontally. We have the value here. Here we have what here we have the red, white, green, brown. So this is still a bar chart. But this is horizontal. That's horizontal part. Meanwhile, this one is vertical. So these are examples of a bar chart. Now, let's see what is a pie chart. A pie chart is also called a circular diagram. A pie chart or circular diagram is actually a circle that shows the angle of each item in a distribution. Is a circle that shows the angle of each item in a distribution. And remember, the total area of a circle is 360 degrees. Let me try this. I don't know if it's gonna be round. This is 360 degrees, the total area. So we want to partition this with respect to the items. So the angle of x, the angle of any item x is calculated by taking the value of x divided by the total value times 360 degrees. The value of x divided by the total value times 360 degrees. So let's pick up example number 1. The link of this question will be dropped in the description section of the video. So please subscribe. Please share the link. Okay. The insurance policy issued by a broker in 1 week is shown below. Type of policy we have: life, disability, household, commercial, and others. Now, number issued 10, 15, 25, 20, and 5 represent the above data on a bar chart. This one is a bar chart, but we have already seen how to prepare a bar chart. I want to present it on a pie chart. Now, this is the value of x. We want to calculate the angle of x, right? So, total policy issued. Let me write this up. Total number of policies issued. That's going to be 10 plus 15 plus 25 plus 20 plus 5. This plus this will give 40, 50, 70, 75. Yes, actually 75. So we have to share. Now, angle of x is equal to value of x divided by total value times 360. So let's take the first one, life. The life policy, the value of life policy is 10 divided by 75 times 360. We take disability. That's gonna be 15 divided by 75 times 360 degrees. We take household. That's 25 divided by 75 times 360. This will be 120 degrees. We take commercial. 20 divided by 75 times 360 degrees. And the last one, others, which will be 5 divided by 75 times 360 degrees. So let's calculate. 10 divided by 75 equals 2 times 360. 48 degrees. 48 degrees. 15 divided by 75 times 36. 360, 72 degrees. 72 degrees. Um, 20 divided by 75 equals 2 times 360, 96 degrees. 96 degrees. And the last one, 5 divided by 75 equals 2 times 360, 24 degrees. 24 degrees. If we add 4 plus 6, 10, plus 2, 12, plus 8, 20, and carry 2. 2 plus 9, 11, plus 2, 13, plus 3, plus 7, rather, 13, that is 20, 24, plus 2 that will carry 26, we have 6. Then 2 plus 3, 360. So the total is 360. So let's plot this on the pie chart. Now, plotting the angles on the pie chart is not difficult. Let me start this all over again. Okay, let me just allow this one. Now, okay, please let's manage it like this. If you have a, I don't know if they call it, is it a protractor? Something of that sort. This stuff, that's in the mark set. It is going to be very easy to draw with it. Please, to draw it, oh, you don't put like this and take it down and draw. No. Hold this thing, draw first. Turn it a bit like this, you draw. Turn it a bit, you draw. Then you put it and complete. You discover that it will form a complete round circle. And when it comes down, now you can still use it since it has numbers there, right, to plot your pie chart. But in the absence of that, what can we do? Let me show you the way we can go. Oh, cool, cool, cool. Okay, I think this one is better. Now, the first thing you need to do is to locate the middle. Now, if I divide this by 4, like this, I divide this by 4, like this, there's a middle. This is 90, 90, 90, and 90. If you take 360 divided by 4, it's going to give you 90. Now, our first angle is 48. And please, you can plot it in any order. In any order, that's at your convenience. But now, let me go in order as it is here. The first angle is 48. Now, this is 90. If I divide this by 3, 30, 30, 30, right? So I need 48. So this is already 30. If I divide this other 30 by 3, I have what? 40. I need 48. This is 48. So this is 30, 40, 48. So can we see? I bring this one this way at once. So this is 48 degree. What is that? That is life insurance. Remember, I still have 2 here. The next one is 72. So this is 2. 2 plus 10, 12. Plus 30, 42. but I need 72. So let me divide this again into 3. If I divide this into 3, you discover that 2 plus 10 is 12 plus 30, 42 plus 30, 72. So this one can be linked. So the whole of this angle will be what? 72 degree. And what is that? As this ability. And don't forget now, I have a whole number. And that's 120 that's coming. This is 60 in total. Right? So if I divide this again, 60 plus 60, that's 30, 30, 30, 30, is going to give me 120 degree, which is what? Household. That's household. I'm left with 30 and 90, which is 120. And look at I have 96 and 24. This is already 90. If I divide this one by 3, you see, I need 96 now. But that's 96. This is 6. Brilliant. So this is 96 degree, which is commercial. And this one is 24 degree, which is what? Others. So this is a pie chart of that above diagram, of that above information. So that is the pie chart. As the pie chart, as a pie chart. So the last question here, not actually the last, please. It's not the last. The next question, that's question number 9. Because that paper consists of about 17 questions. Please, the link will be dropped in the description section of this video. So let me wipe the board and take the next question. That will be the last question. So we'll take question number 16 is on pie chart. A golf club has 4 categories of membership: men, women, juniors, and social members. The pie chart, which is not drawn to scale, illustrates the distribution of membership in 2022. This is the pie chart. This is social. This is 48 degrees, which is junior, women, men, which is 168 degrees. Okay, given that there were 147 men and 35 social members, number of men, number of men, 147, number of social members, that is 35. Calculate the number of junior members. The number of junior members, the angle representing social members. Okay, to calculate the number of junior members, we actually need the total number one, number of junior members. Let's call it X. Now the question is this: if we have 100, if 147 men is equal to 168 degrees, it therefore implies that X social members will be equal to 48 degrees. Remember that these angles are proportionate. They are proportionate. So if we cross multiply here, it means that X will be equal to 147 times 48 divided by 168. So how many junior members are there? 147 times 48 equals to divided by 168. 42. 42 junior members. So there are 42 junior members. The angle of sector representing social members. The angle of sector representing what? Social members. Remember that given the number of social members now. So we will say again that if 147 men is equal to 168 degrees, or yes, 168 degrees. Now we say it therefore implies that 35 members will be equal to y degree. So we cross multiply, y will be equal to 168 times 35 divided by 147. Y will be equal to 168 times 35 divided by, no, it would equal to divided by 147. So that's going to be 40 degrees. So angle of social members will be equal to 40 degrees. Now they say the number of juniors. Sorry, this should be the number of women. It should actually be the number of women. Now, number of women. Remember, we don't know, but we can have the angle of women. Angle of women, which will be 360 degrees minus the sum of the angle of men, which is 168 degree plus 48 degree plus 40 degree. So if I add this here, that's going to give me 208 degree, 248 degree, 256 degree. So this will be 360 minus 256 degree. So the angle of women will actually be 360 minus 256. So 104 degree. 104 degrees. So number of women which is X, let's call it Z, sorry. Number of women which is Z. So we say if 147 men actually represent 168 degrees. So it means that Z will represent 104 degrees. So Z will be equal to 147 times 104, that's we are cross multiplying, divided by 168. So how many women are there? So we have 104 times 147 equals to divided by 168. 91 female members. 91 women members are there. So that is it. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share the link. Invite others to join the group. Thank you very much. And please remember The Telegram link is there. You can ask any question. The link to the question will be dropped in the description section of this video. You can download it. Any question, you can ask it in the comment section or follow the Telegram link and ask the question. I'll answer you. Thank you very much and God bless you.